Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how I wash my wig. Y'all, I'm starting this video off showing y'all how crunchy my wigs can get when like I be sleeping on them, I be drinking and partying in them, I be going to the pool. Like, hand me the mouth. And me and these wigs, we here, okay? This is the routine of how I wash all my wigs, whether they're long, short. I don't really wear curly hair, but long, short, body wave, or straight. This is the exact same way I wash all my wigs. If y'all haven't seen my video of how I wash a sew-in, I will have that video posted above in the cards, so check that out. Anyways, y'all, this should be a short video, so no need to make it long. Y'all, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up to support your girl. And yeah, let's go ahead and take the wig off. Okay y'all, so I'm starting off brushing out the wig. I like to get all the tangles out before I start washing it, of course, for obvious reasons, so it's not tangled. So after I do that, it's pretty self-explanatory here. You could just watch me. I'm going to completely rinse the wig, getting the cap wet, getting the lace closure wet, getting every single thing completely wet. And I'm going to go in with some OGX shampoo. Y'all, do not stress yourself. I use cheap shampoo when I wash my wigs. Pretty much this shampoo I bought for my natural hair and it completely dried it out. So I was like, you know what? I'm not going to throw it away. I'll just use it for my wigs. Also, another thing about my process when I wash my wigs, I don't condition them. I know a lot of girls on YouTube are washing with shampoo and then they're going in with conditioner. I don't do all that to my wigs. The only time I ever condition a wig is when it's almost completely destroyed and I need to bring it completely back to life. Other than that, I just wash it one time, one go round with shampoo, and it comes out completely silky after that. As you see here, when I rinse it out, it's looking like butter, just silky smooth. And that's all I need. I take a long time and I take my time to rinse out the wig just because I want to get all that shampoo out. You don't want any filmy texture on the wig once you're done and once it dries. So take your time here, flip it, turn it inside out, do whatever you have to do to make sure you get all that shampoo out. Now I'm going to go in and dry it, and to dry it, I do dry it like I dry my natural hair with a old t-shirt. So I dry it as much as I can with the old t-shirt, and then I'm going to put it on my wig stand. Once it's on my wig stand, I like to comb it out here, make sure I get all the tangles out of it again, just so that it can dry tangle free and everything can, you know, the strands are separated so they can dry faster. And then I basically just scrunch up the wig, get any excess water out, and then I scrunch it because this hair is body wave, so I want to go ahead and scrunch it up so it can already dry with some curls in it, so I don't have to put that many curls in it myself with the curling iron. But yeah, just scrunch it up. And I live in Houston, so I'm going to sit my wig on the porch for about an hour or two for it to dry, and then everything's done. Alright y'all, this is the finished look. Not much. I completely just threw the wig back on, but if you do like it, I mean, I literally just washed it. I have not styled it. If you want to see it styled, you can see it styled on my Instagram, which you should already be following me on. But anyways, y'all, thank you so much for watching and supporting your girl. Give this video a big thumbs up on your way out, and I will catch y'all in my next video.